A very good day to all of you from Amit Kumar Mehta and Team Wordaholics. Now, let me start with a quick statistic. Did you know that if you have a better vocabulary at work, your salary can go as high as 34% compared to your other colleagues? Well, that is a fact. A research was done into this particular concept, and they found out people with better vocabularies have greater salaries by as high as 34%. So, it is keeping in these kind of concepts that we have been helping our students, working executives, housewives, and any learner of English in particular master those difficult words which can help them to sound sophisticated and score more in competition exams which have English as a major component. Now we on a daily basis keep on discussing 5 difficult words which are very, very important. So these are the 5 words that you must absolutely know. Absolutely means absolutely. So starting with the word reiterate. Reiterate basically means repeating something again and again, going over something again and again, recapping something, playing back. Hindi would be बार बार दोहराना. Antonym is take back. Pronunciation reiterate. What is the mnemonic for this particular word? What is the Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word, you would ask? Look at the visual that we have provided. There is a student who is not able to understand something. So for this kind of a student, you will have to repeat the concept again and again. Imagine illiterate people. Look at the visual that we have provided and the underlined word reiterate sounds like repeating to somebody who is illiterate. For illiterate people, for people who have not been schooled, you will have to repeat the concept again and again so that it goes into their memories permanently. What are the various usages? Reiterate our stand, reiterate support and commitment. Look at sentence number 2. The president's visit to warring nations next week will reiterate the fact that our country wants to normalize the tie. President wants to go out and tell the other countries, reiterate the countries, repeating it again and again that we are here to have normal ties with you, not fighting with you. Sentence 4. Amid the current tensions between India and Pakistan, US has reiterated that Kashmir is a bilateral issue between the two. India and Pakistan, US has reiterated. US has repeated that it's a bilateral issue and not a worldwide issue. Moving on to the next word for the day. The next word is rejuvenation. Rejuvenation basically means putting a new life into something, getting younger, reconstructing something, reviving something. Hindi would be naya karna. Antonym is destroy and ruin. Now, what is the Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word? Look at the word rejuven. Juven sounds like Yauvan. Yauvan is young in Hindi. Also, you can look at this particular word from the juvenile word. Juvenile is basically somebody who is young. If you know, we have juvenile prisons for somebody who has committed a crime in his teenage. Juvenile rehabilitation centers are opened for young children who have committed some kind of crime. So imagine somebody who is bringing you back to your juvenile years, who is putting a new life into you, who is reconstructing you, who is making you young again. Usage: rejuvenation of India's rivers, skin rejuvenation. Sentence 1. Gold can help in terms of revitalization, rejuvenation and age control, says Shahnaz Hussain, beauty expert. Shahnaz says that gold facials can rejuvenate you, make you look younger. Sentence 2. The total cost of the rejuvenation and renovation of the lake was estimated at rupees 10 crore, hence the delay. The project was getting delayed because the rejuvenation attempt, the renewing attempt at of the lake was estimated at rupees 10 crores. Moving to the third word for the day. The word is relegate. Relegate basically means downgrading something, demoting something, lowering something, reducing in the ranks. If you have been demoted in the office, that is relegating. Hindi, nikal dena, badal dena. Antonym is upgrade, promote. Pronunciation, relegate. Now, what is the Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word permanently into your memories? Look at the word relegate. It has been composed of 2 different words, rail and gate. Imagine 2 different words, rail and gate. Imagine you have been made the guard of the railways. You have been put to post as a guard at one of the railways. That is a demotion for you. That is, you have been downgraded from your high profile. You have been lowered from your high profile that you were earlier being offered. That is relegation for you, relegating for you. Now, what are the various usages? Relegate to the background, relegate everybody else. Sentence 1. Traditional patriarchal societies relegate women to secondary status. that has been, women have been relegated to the secondary status, have been downgraded to the secondary status since ages. Sentence 2. A course in mechanical engineering from BITS Pilani too did not relegate her passion for drawing. She was very passionate about drawing, and even when she got through mechanical engineering, even that did not relegate her spirits, downgrade or lower her spirits. She wanted to pursue drawing as a career. Sentence 3 and 4 you can do on your own. Now, as we keep on saying, the link to all these 1200 words that we have discussed through this particular way of Wordaholics, through underlining, through visuals and mnemonics, is available in the YouTube description for this particular video. You can go and have a watch link at that and check that particular link. Now the next word for the day is relinquish. Relinquish basically means resigning something, abdicating something, surrendering, abandon totally. You have left something, you have relinquished something. Hindi would be त्याग देना. Antonym is retain and continue, pronunciation relinquish. So what is the way in which you can remember this word permanently? Imagine a person, imagine saints who have given up all their wishes. Relinquish. They have released all their wishes. They do not have any wishes anymore. They do not have expectations anymore, and they have given up. They have resigned. So that is the way in which you can remember this particular word. Look at the visual. That will also help you, recall this particular word permanently. What are the various usages? Relinquish control, given up control. Relinquish their Indian citizenship. NRIs have relinquished, they have abdicated, they have resigned, they have given up their Indian citizenship. Sentence 1. Rahul set the tone by virtually asking the PM to relinquish office. Rahul asked PM to relinquish office, to vacate office, to leave the office if he could not address the concerns of the ordinary people. Sentence 2. The Tata Group, which founded Air India 85 years ago, was then forced to relinquish control. Air India was founded by Tata Group, and then it was asked to relinquish it, release it, give it back to the government. Said it will look at bidding for the airline up for sale. Sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own by pausing the video. We'll be moving on to the next word for the day, which is the last word and my favorite word for the day is renegade. Renegade basically means a traitor, a rebel, a deserter, somebody who betrays you and moves away to another party. Hindi would be bhagoda or vishwasghati. Antonym is loyal and faithful, pronunciation renegade. So what is the Wordaholics way of remembering this particular word? Look at the visual that we have provided and look at the underlined word. The underlined word renegade, the entire word looks and sounds like grenade, right? And if you look at the visual, the military officer is throwing a grenade. So imagine a soldier who has turned a rebel, who has turned a vishwasghati. वो भगोड़ा हो गया है, दूसरी पार्टी में शामिल हो गया है, and he throws a grenade on his own party, on his own countrymen. A military officer throwing grenade on his own army members is a renegade. So what are the various usages? Political renegade, renegade TCS employees. Sentence 1. The soldier was given the highest gallantry award, the Param Veer Chakra, after he shot dead a renegade military commander. The military commander had gone renegade, had become a traitor. Sentence 1. It seems China's India-specific strategy is to encourage a renegade nation like Pakistan to keep India off balance. So over here in this particular sentence, we are calling Pakistan a renegade nation, basically a traitor nation, which keeps on backing off their particular claims and promises. So sentence 3 and 4 once again you can do on your own. With that we have reached the end of the presentation for today. We have discussed 5 difficult words, and these words will help you sound sophisticated and score more in various competition exams. You can cast a very good impression using these words in front of your friends, colleagues, employees, and overall family and social gatherings. So keep on liking, keep commenting with your good comments or bad comments, whatever feedback you have and suggestions you have. And if you have not subscribed, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe these words, because this will help you improve your communication skills to a greater extent. And if you have not shared these words, share these words with someone whom you think can get benefited in these difficult times where English is becoming a very, very important language. Also, if you want to learn more about words, we have an entire set of 30 to 50 videos we have uploaded on YouTube playlist. Just go to the playlist and keep on watching these words. These words will help you immensely. It was a pleasure interacting with you. Thank you so much.